Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. So today I wanted to show you guys this new thing that I found online called Green Estate. It's a reusable makeup remover pads, 14 microfiber rounds plus laundry bag, removes makeup with just water. And buy one, plant one. So if you buy an item, they plant a tree. I feel really excited about that, and I feel some way that I'm doing a part when you buy stuff like this. This was $15.99 and it comes with 14 little small ones like this. So the way that it's supposed to work is the black side is supposed to take off makeup, eyeliner, foundation, mascara, everything on this side. On the white side, you use it for cleansers and toners. Just dip them in warm water and it's supposed to actually take off your makeup, which is also cool that they're washable safe. You just put them all in this little bag that comes with it, which again, it gives you 14 of them, which is like free. So let's see it. Again, warm water. Okay. All right. And this also is a family-owned operation, which is nice too. So I'm just gonna and wipe away. Look at that, you guys. It's crazy. And look at that. Like, makeup, no makeup. Makeup, no makeup. These are like awesome. And I have really sensitive skin and they're doing the job, man. They are doing the job. Look at that. Green Estate is a small family-owned business right here in the United States. Our mission is to provide sustainable, reusable, and zero-waste products that keep single-use plastic and disposable out of the ocean and landfill. I love what they're doing. I think it's great. And I've had this makeup on for about 7 hours. And I'm still just on one pad, you guys. Because normally, like if I were to use like the little small makeup remover, the circle like cotton ones that you get from like Dollar Tree or whatever, I would be using like 6 or 7 of those bad boys. I'm extremely happy with these. I got these off of Amazon. They were $15.99. But you can also get them off of the website, which is greenestategoods.com. On their website, they're $14.99. So you save a little, but I'm always feeling good when I know that I'm helping in some way. I may not be able to help a lot, but the fact that I'm able to help a little totally makes my day. It's 3 inches in diameter. Took off my lipstick, took off my makeup. Look at my skin, it's all clear. The microfibers work. So if any of you guys are trying to save or help out in a little way, just trying to clean the ocean, the earth, anything that you're trying to do, I would highly recommend Green Estate. They're $14.99 on the website, but I got them from Amazon for $15.99 and I truly, truly love them. And I'm definitely going to tell anybody about them if I can. Right, Burbo? Yeah. Right. Hi, guys. Well guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe. Also give this video a big thumbs up. Also make sure that you hit the notification bar so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.